experiencing this beautiful view because it happens to be a client of Watkins Mechanical. Chris is going to tell us a little bit more about really some pointers that you at home can make sure you're doing, and we're so glad to get to chat with you.
Sure.
So talk to us a little bit about Watkins before we dive in.
Absolutely, yeah. So we're a locally owned, family-owned business. We operate out of Beaufort. We cover from Beaufort to Hilton Head and everything in between. We specialize in service plans, preventative maintenance, but whether it's installation, a new construction build, or renovation, we do it.
I think that's great. And what's also great is you're able to really give us some pointers so us as homeowners can make sure we're doing the right things and making sure we're preventing issues too.
Absolutely, yeah, prevention's key. So one of the things that we always recommend, especially during the winter time, is folks, make sure you're getting your service done, but also that you're replacing your air filters routinely. You're checking your smoke alarms, making sure batteries are functional and that we don't have any surprises. Sometimes it helps to clear drains. You can pour a little, cleaning solution down your drain line. That can prevent a lot of problems. Washing off your condenser coils outside also helps. But just simply keeping an eye on things, making sure the system's functioning and performing the way it's designed.
Yeah, absolutely. Lots of things to know too. So if we're really not sure what to do, maybe we're experiencing some issues at home, what's a good way to really kind of figure out what's going on? What do you do?
Yeah, so if your thermostat is not maintaining temperature, it's likely that there's a malfunction, and that's when you need to call the professionals and let us come and evaluate. But certainly, keeping an eye on that thermostat is really what a homeowner has control over to understand if the system's performing as it's set to be.
Yeah, absolutely. And I know you've got some happy customers, a great team, and just a great business model. So thanks for sharing some of those pointers with us today. Thank you for watching. We'll be back.